This is Sonia Khanna, and you are watching Learn with Motivation. Computer plays a vital role on our life. In today's world, we are totally dependent on computer. Computers are affecting our lives in one way or other. Railway reservation, airline reservation, movie ticket reservation, telephone bills, electricity bill, bank, hospital, entertainment, the list of computer uses is endless. So, knowledge of computer has become essential to keep pace with the fast developing information and technology industry. As you already know, that Charles Babbage developed the machine called analytical engine in 1832, which formed the basis for the modern computer. That's why he is known as the father of modern computer. Today, our topic is basics of computer. Computer is derived from a Latin word compute, which means to calculate, to count, to sum up, to think together. A computer is basically an electronic device with a set of instructions to perform a specific task and generate result at very high speed. You should be familiar with the characteristics of computer. It is difficult to imagine the world without computer. This technology has totally changed the way of performing the action. The characteristics of computers that have made them so popular and universally used are speed, reliability, accuracy, diligence, memory, logical, versatility, and automation. Now, one by one, try to understand the meaning of these characteristics. First is speed. Computer work at an incredible speed. A powerful computer is capable of performing about 3 to 4 million simple instructions per second. And the reliability, you can rely your computer, it is always give the right result. Accuracy, a human can do the calculation wrong, but the computer never do the answer is wrong. In addition to being fast, computers are also accurate. Error that may be occur can almost always be attributed to the human error. Diligence. Unlike human beings, computers are highly consistent. They do not suffer from human traits or boredom and tiredness, resulting in lack of concentration. Computers therefore are better than human beings in performing the various tasks, repetitive job. Memory. Computer has a large volume of memory space. It can store a large volume of data in primary and secondary memory devices. Computer is logical. It works based on logic. Computer is versatile. That means it can do many tasks in a single time. Computer is automation. That means if you give a work to it, it will do properly. Next is limitations of computer. Computer has no feeling as it is not a human being, so it has no feeling, no emotion, no learning. It work on only the programming. It's not learning by its own self. It never do its own self-care. A human require to take care of a computer. It totally depend upon the electricity to work, and a computer can play complete the task it has been instructed for. It has no intelligence, no IQ. Now we talk about computer, uses of computer. Computers have become an essential part of modern human life. Since the in invention of computer, they have evolved in terms of increased computing power and decreased size. Owing to the widespread use of computer in every sphere, life in today's world would be unimaginable without computer. As you already know, many people are use computer in a different way. For example, engineer, architect, jeweler, filmmaker, they all use computer. Even teacher, writer, in office worker, they use computer for their research, for word processing, for email and various of work. Computer aid at education. Today, you can see people use computer for teaching the students with the help of smart board and video based classes. Researchers also use computer for their research. Computer also used in health and medicine. Many machines are based on computer, for example ECG, MRI, radiotherapy, that can't be possible without computer. Computer at financial institutions. We know well that computers are being used by the financial institutions like bank, different purpose. The foremost important thing is to store the information about account holder, database, and it also keep the record, cash flow, giving the information regarding the account. Computer is also a part of entertainment. Nowadays people are using computer for watching the movies, listening the music, drawing the picture, playing the games, etc. Computers are a huge part of transport system. With internet on computer, we can know the detail of bus, train, flights, and we can do the reservation in this area. We can book the ticket through the online. Staff of the transport system will keep the track of the passenger, train and flight details, departure, arrival timing by using the computer. Inevitable use of computer in business and corporate stages. Every single information shared can be recorded by using computer. Official deals issues were made even through online. We use email to exchange the information, video conferencing for meetings, wide use in marketing, stock exchange, bank, even the departmental store can't run effectively without computer. Wonder of computer in e-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce. Electronic shopping means online shopping. Electronic bank is now at your hand, where every bank has online support for transaction of money. You can easily transfer money anywhere, anytime. Computer and defense. Computers are the main tool which help in developing missiles and other equipment in the defense system. Designing and maintaining are possible only through the computer. Computer build the link between the soldier and commander through the satellite. Construction of weapons Controlling their function is not possible without the aid of computer. The list of criminals and the record of cops are also maintained by the computer. You can say computer is a today's designer. As per the title, computer aid is designed building magazines, prints, newspaper, books, and many other things. The constructions layout are designed beautifully on the system using different tools and software. Hope you understand the chapter. Thank you.